And we are live, right?
Hello, namaste everyone.
Namaste everyone. How's everyone doing today?
Doing great.
तो आज मैं और संदीप वापस आ गए हैं at our very favorite place, which is Habibi Kitchen. Habibi. हमारा favorite जो Habibi Kitchen का anthem है. So yes, we are back at Habibi Kitchen, and Habibi Kitchen is located at
16227 Lexington Boulevard, intersection of Highway 6, and it's the heart of Sugarland. And it's good to be back here. We're going to try some new items today, and tell you about some good specials coming up. So definitely get out here, Lexington Boulevard, Highway 6, and visit habibikitchen.com. More info, and of course keep it locked on our Namaste page to find out all the great deals, and we're going to tell you about them today as well.
Absolutely. The great deals is something that I'm looking forward to as well, क्योंकि बड़ा weekend आने वाला है. But I want them to see this also. This is something new. I don't think we saw it last time. See, whenever you walk into Habibi Kitchen, हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ नया artwork एक करके रखते हैं. And I like this. Welcome to the Falafel Palace. So, you want to take them around till I go check if everything's ready?
That's right. So Habibi Kitchen, it's got good space, good amount of space, plenty of tables. You can bring either, come on a date, come by yourself, come with a group. And
I want to tell them, Sandeep, that we were just talking to the owners, and we all know them, Chef Jaffer and Maki, and of course Mr. Uday. So, वो हमें बता रहे थे that this entire place can accommodate more than 50 people, actually way more than 50 people. So you can come or do any of your private event, birthdays, baby showers, any kind of party, even corporate events, and they can rent this entire space out to you. And this is a great venue. तो गरम गरम खाना आएगा आपको यहीं पे, and decorate करवा लीजिए, कुछ भी करिए, बच्चों के birthday celebrate करिए. So this is amazing place for your next event. So remember that. Habibi Kitchen. So now, what is new at Habibi Kitchen?
let's check out this new juice machine that they have now. And take a look at that.
So we have new juices at Habibi Kitchen. Of course, we've been talking so much about their food, चाहे वो flatbreads हो. And one thing we all know about Habibi Kitchen is that all the food is made fresh every day. All their sauces, everything. And also, चाहे आप vegan हो, चाहे आप vegetarian, हो, चाहे आप non-vegetarian हो, सारे options available हैं. So try out their Habibi burger. उस पे भी एक बहुत अच्छी स्पेशल आने वाली है. And of course, Wednesdays $5 sandwich special होता है. So even today, if you come out today, any sandwich at Habibi Kitchen is only $5.
$5.
And then, they have amazing stuff in the shawarma menu. Shawarma pocket pita, shawarma hoogie, is it? Is that what I'm going to be trying today? I think that's
It is. We got confirmation. It's hoagie, right?
It is hoagie.
It's like, best way to explain it, it's Italian French bread. It's Italian French bread. We put in there tomato sauce, green peppers, olives, and then we put either chicken on there or falafel, and it's put on top of garlic sauce with a little bit of parsley. Changes the whole sandwich. It's like you're eating something that you would get from like an Italian place, French place, but with like Arabic ingredients in there. So it's one of our most popular fusion items we definitely do around here. So I really hope you guys enjoy it.
Sounds good. It sounds so delicious already. We have both the falafel and the chicken, which we are going to try very soon. But at the same time, other than all their falafel options, their chicken options, their, lamb and beef options, they do have their juice options. Last time हमने एक juice try किया था. इस बार, today they have introduced this new juice machine. So we have today 3 juice options for us. The leftmost is the...
So we have the lemonade, just regular lemonade juice. We have tamarind, which is in Iraq we call it tamar hind. So it's tamarind juice. It's really good. It's one of my favorites. And then we have the berry mix. So it's like has a little bit of pomegranate in there, a little bit of cherry, blackberries, black grapes, just mixed in there. A little bit of sugar. That one definitely gets me on a sugar rush. So I really like that one. It's like nature's free caffeine. So
Sounds good. So we are now all set to try all three of them. So chale, try kare. Thank you so much for speaking with us, and thank you. So yes, again Habibi Kitchen. एक बार फिर से एड्रेस दे दो संदीप.
So again, it's 16227 Lexington Boulevard. Those of you that are very, very familiar with the town center area, you see First Colony Mall there. But again, the intersection of Highway 6. So 16227 Lexington Boulevard.
So this is now the falafel hoagie, and this is the chicken. Look at all that inside. Oh my god. एक चीज़ मुझे यहाँ हबीबी किचन की बहुत अच्छी लगती है, विच इज़ द क्वांटिटी. वो बहुत अच्छा टेक केयर करते हैं क्वांटिटी में.
Didn't we tell him to make it a little smaller?
Yeah, we actually asked them to make it like just sampler size. So this is kind of the sampler size, but they're always so gracious with their serving. So बहुत अच्छे लोग हैं guys. I love seeing this place, being here and meeting them again and again. तो please आइए try करिए, and of course एक चीज़ मत भूलिएगा, which is to mention Namaste Radio whenever you are here and visiting, and you've heard them on through us. Please do let them know, so that they know कि हम भी काम कर रहे हैं. तो try करें संदीप.
Let's go ahead and give it a shot.
तो सबसे पहले juice try. Why don't you sit down? बैठो और आराम से खाओ. तो ये है आपका टैमरिन, एंड मुझे वो बता रहे थे लाइव से पहले कि दिस इज़ वेरी गुड फॉर योर एनी काइंड ऑफ एसिडिटी. दैट्स व्हाट ही टोल्ड मी. सो cheers. Oh wow, it's amazing. It is amazing. It reminds me of that candy as a child जब हम खाते थे, and it's amazing guys. ये tamarind juice आपको आके ज़रूर try करना है. That's the tamarind one, yeah. That's the mixed berry. So cheers.
Kind of looks like Jaeger.
Okay. मुझे तो सब अच्छे लग रहे. I was going, actually Deep and I decided that we'll pick one, like 3, we'll rate them, but I can't choose between the 2.
And that's the last one.
This is lemon, and they're coming up with 3 more juices, okay? And अगर आपके पास कोई juice suggestion है तो उन्होंने हमें बोला है कि you can go to their Facebook page Habibi Kitchen and give them the suggestion.
Perfect, not too sweet.
This is,
Like perfect.
and especially when you have it after the tamarind. So what's your favorite?
Sorry. I would say my favorite's tamarind.
Tamarind?
Yeah. All of them really, really good.
They're good, but we just
But
wanted to rate.
yeah, I think for me tamarind, even the mixed berry was good. Lemon was good, perfect, not too sweet. I think when you feel like,
This is ending today.
yeah. For me it was tamarind. What about you? Which one?
बचपन में ना पेड़ पे चढ़ के अगर तुमने कभी इमली तोड़ी है, तुमने नहीं किया होगा, तुम तो यहाँ के बच्चे हो ना, बट हमने बचपन में पेड़ों पे चढ़ के, आई एम श्योर योर दादी विल काइंड ऑफ रिलेट टू इट. बचपन में पेड़ों पे खेत चढ़ के इमली तोड़ी है, और जो इमली का टेस्ट आता था ना, इट इज़ एग्जैक्टली द सेम थिंग. सो चाइल्डहुड मेमोरीज. सो
also have these.
so we get more juices.
So these are like Arabic sodas. They even have like the full Arabic writing on them. So this one is the lime and lemonade soda, and this one is the orange one. This one is my favorite, and this is like the sodas I grew up on as a kid. So these were the sodas we would drink. So I got you guys cups, and let me know what you think about it.
Sure, we definitely will. So let me pour first the lime soda for Deep. A little bit. Oh, these are sodas.
That's it.
Wait.
I'm with
And cheers. Wow, it's amazing.
Reminds me of
In Delhi, if you know, you get that banta, kanche wala banta. Yeah, and limca, of
Yeah.
course. And this एक क्या होता था? Orange वाला क्या बोलते थे? Gold spot. No, there used to be one thing called gold spot.
get the full taste.
They used to call something gold spot. Cheers.
All of them. I'm just gonna take all three in.
See, something is so beautiful. अभी मैं सोच रही हूँ. A totally different country, totally different culture, but the food कहीं ना कहीं कैसे मिलता है, right? These two actually reminded us of हमारे बचपन के सोडा. ये लिम्का और ये इसका नाम फैंटा. और एक गोल्ड स्पॉट भी आता था.
No, wasn't it Miranda?
मिरांडा या
Miranda.
I can't even remember. इतने साल हो गए, my God. But yes, अब बारी आती है ये नई चीज़ की.
This is for the meat eaters.
Yes, so this is chicken and this is falafel, if you'll see. So अंदर बहुत अच्छे से इन्होंने फिल किया है. It's amazing. It's amazing. It's too good. Too good. Do you try the falafel? And I'm trying the chicken now. It's very good. Very nice, guys. You must try this. We've spoken about Hey Charu. We've spoken about the flatbreads in the past, the rice platters, the the pocket pitas, the burgers, the fries.
The rice chicken, the rice
Platter?
platter.
Yeah. And then even the pocket pitas, right? हर चीज़ में आपको हर ऑप्शन मिलेगा, नॉन वेज वेज. But this is the first time we've tried this and it is amazing. I would call it an it's more like a Middle Eastern, Sandeep can't stop drinking the tamarind. So this is something like hot dog में hot dog meat के जगह इन्होंने ये पूरा अपना देसी स्वाद डाला है. So it's amazing. And July 4th आ रहा है. We all might be doing some outdoor events, so what better place, right, to go come pick up or come here and eat rather. Amazing, amazing. So आप बता दें upcoming July 4th की deal.
Go ahead.
So July 4th आने वाला है, तो उसके लिए Habibi Kitchen presents to you for Friday, Saturday and Sunday, which is July 2nd, 3rd and 4th. You can come here, order anything in the shawarma and a falafel menu and get one free. So you order one and get one free. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. But the key is you have to show the ad from Namaste Radio's Facebook page or you have to mention Namaste Radio. तभी आपको free मिलेगा. So yes, this coming Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Habibi Kitchen is presenting a special July 4th deal for you. Buy any item, shawarma or a falafel and get one free. I love this about them. They always come up with these amazing deals. And of course, next week की deal हम आपको July 4th के बाद बताएंगे. संदीप, आपके कुछ?
No, as always, it was great to try the falafel and chicken hoagie, and these wonderful juices and the sodas. Everything is just incredibly tasty. They just keep surprising us and beyond expectations every time we come here. And again, thank you, Abibi, for supporting Namaste Radio and for having us here again and letting us try some amazing, amazing dishes.
That is true.
And don't forget, again, the weekend specials. July 4th is here. But if you're looking for a good spot to bring the family out, bring friends out, definitely come here. Habibi Kitchen, 16227 Lexington Boulevard. And the specials were buy one, get one free, any falafel. Any shawarma or falafel item this weekend, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. But you must mention Namaste Radio or show them the flyer that's going to be on our Namaste Radio page. And their number is 832-999-4161. That's 832-999-4161. But don't forget, most importantly, anytime you guys come here, mention Namaste Radio. And definitely need to try these juices. I'm going to probably, even though I'm been on my diet, I'm going to finish this. This is good.
Thank you guys. Thank you for watching again. And we look forward to seeing y'all here. So thank you so much. Thank you. And एक झलक last में. Bye guys. Bye bye.